Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar yen is drifting down, as you can see, but on the daily time frame, price did finally make an engulfing move to the upside, so we likely are in some sort of a move up. Whether this move up is just an ABC correction to the downtrend, or whether it is a complete trend reversal of some kind, we don't know, but I think we do have the green light to start looking for some longs at sort of time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on the whole impulsive move up. If we get some sort of a 1, 2, 3 pattern down to a Fibonacci retracement level, probably not ready yet. I mean, we need to probably go down to a Fib level first. But if we do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, which it could be any one of these Fib levels, and then a nice engulfing move to the upside, I think it would be worth going long. And then hopefully we can learn and earn at the same time whether the daily time frame is just a pullback to the downtrend or whether this really is some sort of a bigger move to the upside on all the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.